So limit of trigonometric function. I'm directly going to start with formula, okay na? Then I will tell you how formula is working. First formula is limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equals to 1. First formula, okay? Same formula is for tan. At place of sin x, I will put tan x. Limit x tends to 0, tan x by tan x will tend to 1, means it's not equals to 1, tend to 1. Equals to means exactness in 1. But this is not exactness in 1. Okay, this is not exact one. Either it is plus 1 plus or 1 minus. I will tell you whether it is 1 plus or 1 minus. Tan x is this now. Next, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x upon x square is equals to 1 by 2. So these are the three formula in trigonometric limit. Now the thing is how this formula is working. Let's discuss about that. Okay, see. I am going to take this expression separately, sin x upon x. Just see sin x. In sin x, what is x? X is angle. And the same x angle is in denominator. Whatever angle is here, same angle is in denominator. Let's give some input angle. 45 degree, it means pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 upon, because x is pi by 4, at place of x I am going to put pi by 4. So what will be sin pi by 4? 1 by root 2 upon pi by 4. And what this will become? 4 by root 2 pi. It will become 2 root 2 by pi. And that value is not 1. That value is not 1. So it means at place of x, if I am taking 45 degree, I am getting 2 root 2 by pi. Similarly, at place of x, if I will take 60 degree, sin 60 upon 60, sin pi by 3 upon pi by 3, again we will not get 1. There is only one angle for which you will get 1, and that angle is very small angle. If you will put very small angle at place of x, this value and this value both will become approximately equal, not 100% equal. But now here if I ask you, if I am at place of x, I am putting 45 degree. So what we are getting here? 1 by root 2. What we are getting here? Pi by 4. Both are same? No, both are not same. But if at place of x, I will put very small value, 0.00000000000, then numerator number and denominator number will become same. Let's put 60 degree at place of x. What will be sin 60? Root 3 by 2 upon, how we can write sin 60 in radian? Pi by 3. Tell me, both are same, root 3 by 2 and pi by 3 are same? No, when it will be same, then only value will come 1, na? Suppose both are same, let's say both are same, so both will cancel and answer will become 1 or not? But both are not same here. So when this angle is very small, this is what saying. What is x here? X is angle of sine. When that angle is very small, then this value will become 1 and not exact 1. Okay? So these all things no need to write, but this was only for understanding purpose. That understanding of that expression. Now I am going to tell you whether this will be 1 plus or 1 minus. So in this case, you have to learn one graph. This both I am going to define. If this is 1, then it is 1 plus or 1 minus. This is not exact 1. Actually, we should put tends to 1. This value is going towards 1, but not, it will never reach at 1. So if you see the graph, first of all, this x and x graph, y equals to x line. Now sin x graph will go like this. Tan x graph will come like this. Tan x graph will come from above here and it will meet here. Sine graph is below y equals to x graph. It means sin x value will be less than x value. So this is going to be 1 minus. Sin x is, value of sin x will be less than x. It means denominator is greater than numerator. Value will be less than 1. This will become 1 minus. Okay. Now tan graph is going above graph of y is equals to x. It means tan value will be more than x value. So tan value will be more than x value, that will become 1 plus. So why we have to learn 1 minus and 1 plus? Because someone can ask question like this. See, this question J can ask directly from here. Limit x tends to 0, greatest integer sin x by x. What is this? This is greatest integer. Okay. So what will become this? What is this? Sin x by x, 1 minus. When limit x is tending towards 0, what is sin x by x? 1 minus. 1 minus means 0.99999. So this is 0.999. What will be greatest integer of 0.999? 0. It means here we'll write equals to 0. Why? Because that is exact 0. That is not 0 plus or 0 minus. That is exact 0 we are getting. And same thing if we write for tan, limit x tends to 0, tan x by x, that value will be, this value is 1 plus. It means 1.00001, its greatest integer will become 1. Same this thing, to confuse you, they can write like this. Limit x tends to 0, this will go inside. Both meaning is same. Both meaning is same. This we can take inside and that we can take outside. Okay. So here also value will be 0. Same thing they can write for tan. There also value will be 1. So first of all, write down this all formula. Then again, I will come to this formula. How to use this formula for solving the question. Write it down. क्या हाल है? Fine ना? तरुण? धनुष धनुष. और आज एक हीरो का है. Done na? Done na? Now see this. Now I'm going to tell you how to use the formula. Okay, see this. And based on that understanding, I will generate some question also here. Okay, I will generate few questions also. So just see how formula is working. See, in question, they can give limit anything. It's not necessary that this formula we will apply only for x tends to 0. That is not necessary. Maybe limit will be x tends to pi by 2 and we are using the formula. So we can use this formula for any limit. X tends to 1 also, x tends to pi by 2 also, x tends to pi also, x tends to anything. But what is important thing here? See, what is understanding of this x tends to 0? First think what is x? X is angle inside sine. So whatever limit is there, at that limit, angle inside sine should become 0. If at given limit, angle inside sine is not becoming 0, we cannot use the formula. Because this whole understanding is saying wherever x is present, x is going to be 0. Wherever x is present. And what is x? X is angle of sine. It means whatever limit is there, at that limit, angle of sine should become 0 and same angle should be in denominator. Same angle should be in denominator. Then only this value is going to be 1 minus 1. Okay, like limit x tends to 1. See, I change the limit. Okay, I am writing sine x minus 1 upon x square minus 1. Okay, so first of all, when you will see this, when you try to understand which form of limit is this, you will see sine. Trigonometry. It means this is trigonometry limit, limit of trigonometric function. And if it is trigonometric limit, trigonometry formula will be applied. Now the question is how we'll apply. Which out of this three, which formula will be applied? So here you have to see sine is there, only sine is there, only sine. It's not like 1 plus sine, 1 minus sine, 2 raised to sine, 3 raised to, no, simple sine should be there. One trigonometry term should be there, sine. In this, simple one tan should be there. There should be nothing other than tan. And here, 1 minus cos should be there. Don't see x square. X square we can generate in question. Just see the trigonometry. In trigonometry, cos is there, but cos is existing with 1 minus. Yes, now it means sine is existing alone. In the formula, tan is existing alone. Cos is existing with 1 minus. So whenever cos is coming, we need to see whether 1 minus is present or not. If 1 minus is not present, we cannot use the formula. And whenever sine is coming, we need to see whether sine is alone or not. Not only sine is alone, whatever limit is there, the angle inside sine should become 0. Let's check here. Sine is alone? Yes. At this limit, angle inside sine should become 0. Let's put 1. 1 minus 1, 0. It is becoming 0. Now same x minus 1 should be in denominator. But x minus 1 is not in denominator. Here, what I said, whatever angle is inside sine, that should become 0. And same thing should be in denominator. Then only its value will be 1 minus. Understood? So here now there is x square minus 1. What we want in denominator? We want x minus 1 in denominator if I want to apply the formula. So x square minus 1, 1 I will write 1 square, x square minus b square, what I will write? A minus b into a plus b. So this will become sine x minus 1 upon x minus 1 into x plus 1, limit x tends to 1. Now we'll write limit x tends to 1. See this. Now on this formula will work. And that will become 1. And what is x? 1. This 1 plus 1, 2. And this is 1. Answer will become 1 by 2. Okay. Now let's take some other question. Limit, no need to write now. Limit x tends to 1. Cos pi by 2x upon, I will have to think, okay na? One minus x. Okay. Now this is the formula. No, not this is the formula. This is the question. Now let's think about this question. How this question will work? How I will think about this question from those all formula. Just see this question and see all three formula. Is it directly matching anywhere? No, it means some changes is required. Now understand the problem in this question, then think how will apply that formula in this question. That is very important. So first of all, this is trigonometry. Yes, trigonometric limit. It means if I want to solve this question, out of those three, one formula we are going to apply. That simple understanding at a starting is required. Out of those three formula only, one formula is going to apply. Now let's think about all the formula. Only sine is present. Only tan is present. Only 1 minus cos is present. Sine, tan, 1 minus cos. Now, if you want to say this, say like this. Only one term is present. Only one term is present. Here, two term is present. Now, by this, how many term is present? Tell me, how many term is present of trigonometry here? Only one. It means this formula will not get used. Okay, that formula is not going to use. Either sine is going to use or tan is going to use. Now the thing is here, name is cos. Cos you cannot change into tan, but cos name you can change into sine. Now let's think more about this. If I am saying this, out of this two formula, one formula is going to use. So do you remember how we'll see this formula? At the given limit, our angle should become 0. Let's put this angle, limit. 1 I will put pi by 2 into 1 pi by 2. This is 90 degree. Cos 90 degree. So whenever cos is there, cos single name is there in limit, what will do? How you will change? Yes, very good. Here cos I will write sine pi by 2 minus pi by 2x. If we'll consider this angle theta, that will become cos theta. And do you know sine 90 minus theta is cos theta? So whenever cos is alone in your limit, always remember cos we will change, sine 90 minus whatever is present here I wrote down. And after that I will write 1 minus x. And after that I will write limit x tends to 1. Yes, na? Now let's put the limit. Sine name is generated. Now when we'll use the formula, at the given limit, this angle should become 0 and same angle should be in denominator, then only its formula will be used. So let's put this limit 1. Pi by 2 minus pi by 2 into 1, pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus pi by 2. It means angle inside sine became 0. Yes? After that, same angle I want in denominator. So what is in angle here? Pi by 2 minus pi by 2x. So can we multiply pi by 2x and can we divide here? Now this angle is same angle what is inside the sine. When you take pi by 2 common, that will become 1 minus x. And you can see pi by 2, 1 minus x. It means this total value is now 1. And 1 into pi by 2 is the answer. One more question. Okay, this question. Limit x tends to 0. Now I'm going to give 0 only. Question is sine 5x by tan 3x. Sine 5x by tan 3x. Okay. So here we can, if we'll put this simple sine name is there, no problem. Simple tan name is there, no problem. It means this two formula is going to work. But what is use of this, how this both formula works? At the given limit, angle inside sine and angle inside tan should become 0. So at the given limit, let's put limit inside the sine. 0, 5 into 0, it means angle inside sine is 0. 3 into 0, angle inside tan is also 0. But here one more thing is saying, if angle inside sine is 0, same angle should be in denominator, then its value will be 1. And same thing is for tan. But when you see sine 5x, 5x we want in denominator, yes or no? And here's tan 3x, 3x we want in denominator. So what I will do here, sine 5x, I will divide it with 5x and I will multiply it with 5x upon tan 3x, I will divide it with 3x into 3x. And can you see this x and x will get cancelled, and limit x tends to 0, this will become 1, this will become 1. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 3, 3. 5 by 3 is the answer. Okay, write it down. Okay, so again, we are going to tell you how to use this formula while solving the question. Always remember, when single name is there, single name of sign is there, you can use this formula. But single name of cos is there, then write that cos pi by 2 minus theta, then solve the formula. Tan is there, and you know tan can be also written as cot. So whenever cot is there, always change cot into tan. Then generate tan x by x, and that will vanish. Okay. So never solve limit with cot name. Never solve limit with cosec name. Cosec means 1 by sine. You know formula in terms of sine, tan and cos. So if some other name is given like cosec, sec, cot is given, try to generate all three name into sine, cos and tan. Then apply the formula and try to solve the question. Okay. And whenever 1 minus is given, always remember 1 minus is given, then 100% you want is cos. And here also understanding is same. Here also formula understanding is same. What is the formula? Whatever limit is there, at this given limit, angle inside cos should become 0. And same angle, a square should be in denominator, then answer will be 1 by 2. Okay. So we are going to see few questions. Write down this question. Done. Now let's think. First of all, we'll identify which limit is this. X cube, no problem, polynomial, cot x, trigonometry, 1 minus cos trigonometry. It means that is trigonometry. Yes or no? Yes, na? Okay. Now, limit x tends to 0, x cube cot x upon 1 minus cos x. Risant and Rohit Sharma. I am going to check this limit. When I'll put x 0, 0, cos 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. This is 0 by 0 first. This is trigonometry. I will apply trigonometric limit. Cot is there. It means cot name I need to change into tan. 1 minus cos is there. Very good sign. 1 minus cos is directly related with the formula. So 1 minus cos require x square for using the formula. So multiply, divide x square. So this part is over. Now only that part is left. This x square will get cancelled with this x cube. Only x will be left. Yes, na? It means now our question is changing to limit x tends to 0, x cot x upon 1 minus cos x upon x square. What we can write cot x? 1 by tan x. So again next step we can change a limit x tends to 0, x by tan x upon 1 minus cos x by x square. Now say this x by tan x. You know na tan x by x is 1. Limit x tends to 0. Tan x by x is 1 plus. Yes or no? It means x by tan x limit x tends to 0 will be 1 minus. Tan x by x is 1. If p by q is 1, then q by p will also be 1. So if tan x by x is 1, x by tan x also 1, sin x by x is 1, x by sin x is also 1. Okay? So if I am writing limit x tends to 0, sin x by x tends to 1 minus, then x by sin x limit x tends to 0 will be 1 plus. Yes, it means this is going to be 1. See, you will use 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus when greatest integer is there. If greatest integer is not there, no need to put 1 plus 1 minus, simply consider 1 as an answer. When greatest integer is there, then it is requirement of 1 plus and 1 minus. Okay. So here this will become 1, this will become 1 by 2, answer will be 1 divided by 1 by 2, answer is 2. Okay. And you can write this both, all these 4 formula also. Maybe J can ask, you know formula of tan x by x 1 plus, maybe J can ask greatest integer x by tan x, so that will be 0. Because 1 minus is 0.99 na, greatest integer will be 0. Yes, Vishnu Priya, understood na? So you can write down all this also. Maths you are getting assignments? Yes na? Notes you are getting na? Huh? This is the notes. What you are writing in your copy. कौन absent है? Who all are absent? हाँ? Saad absent ना? Dikshit is also absent. Dikshit V or Dikshit GD? GD. Preksha also absent. Bhavana. Bhavana. क्या? Pavana. Any boys more absent? Rahman. ठीक है आते हैं. Okay. Yes, yes. Now, let's move to next question. You will try this question by yourself. Hmm. हाँ चलिए. Solve this question. अरे रहमान का तो नाम नहीं है। Okay, so let's start. Last bench. Hmm. Now tell me, how will solve this question? How we will solve this question? देखिए, see, first of all, this is trigonometric limit. Yes or no? Trigonometric limit, trigonometry is present. Okay? And let's put 0. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 sine 2, 2 sine 2 minus 0. X is 0, 0 by 0. Okay? It means we have to apply some formula for finding the answer. But structure is not direct so that you can use the formula directly. There are a lot of complexity created inside this question. So we have to reduce the complexity of this question so that we can apply the formula. Yes, na? Very good. Acha, let's understand why this question is complex. Which term is making this question complex? After that, we will do some calculation for that. So here, if you'll see, first thing is this 2 plus x is creating the main problem. Okay. But when you will go to differentiability chapter, na, differentiability limit chapter is there. then continuity is there, and then differentiability. When you learn differentiability chapter, this question we can write direct answer. Okay, direct answer we can write. You want to see what will be the direct answer? Sine 2 plus 3 cos 2. Okay. So now, but we don't know differentiability. That's why this question for now, it is tough. It is looking very abnormal. Okay. So let's, only problem in this question is, do this 2 plus x present. So what we can do for that 2 plus x? Who will give me some idea? Huh? No. That we cannot do divided by 2 plus x. Why? Because at this given limit, this angle should be 0. Then only you can think with sine formula. When you are putting x 0, what it is becoming? 2 plus 0. 2. Is that 0? No. Then why will divide by 2 plus x? That we cannot do. Always remember the formula. On what condition we can use the formula? Under the given limit, angle inside sine should become 0. And same angle should be in denominator. Then that formula will be used and answer will be 1. But those all things are not satisfying here. So, but one thing we can see, sine a plus b. It means this may be sine a plus b formula. Maybe, let's check. Okay. So sine a plus b, this 2 plus x I will write as it is. And here sine a plus b, what we can write? Right? Sine a cos b plus cos a sin b minus 2 sin 2 upon x. Now I am going to multiply this both bracket. I am going to multiply. I am going to do some arrangement. Let's check what we can do. 2 will multiply with this. That will become 2 sin 2 cos x. 2 will multiply with that plus 2 cos 2 sin x. X will multiply with this plus x sin 2 cos x. X will multiply with that plus x cos 2 sin x minus 2 sin 2 upon x. Don't write. I also don't know. I am doing this question after a long time. I don't know what will going to be the solution. How this question is framed. I am just guessing. Maybe there they have attacked. And if this system will not work, then I have another concept to proceed the question. Maybe I think this will work. Two ways we can do this question. I only don't know how to understand the difficulty where they have created complexity and what we have to do to reduce the complexity. Now here, this can you see 2 sin 2? This 2 sin 2. Rest all no problem. Done. Question is done. Correct method. Method is correct. Say this. This 2 sin 2 cos x minus 2 sin 2, I am going to put at same place. Sir, why you are thinking like that? Because here cos x is there, and in cos x we have only one formula, 1 minus cos x. So if I will arrange 2 sin 2 cos x and minus 2 sin 2, I will take 2 sin 2 common, cos x minus 1 will generate. And if I took minus 2 sin 2 common, 1 minus cos x will generate. So this both is getting arranged like formula. So that I will write 2 sin 2, and here it will become cos x minus 1, last 2, and here this will become plus 2 cos 2 sin x. In this both, x is present, no problem. X sin 2 cos x plus x cos 2 sin x. Yes or no? And now denominator x is there. Can we split this divided by x, this divided by x, this divided by x, this divided by x? We can do or not? P plus q by r. Can we write p by r plus q by r? So I am going to divide x. Here x, here x, here x, here x. Now see what will happen after that. And what is limit? Limit x tends to 0, and this is the... Now do you remember the property? If limit is there, x tends to a, f of x plus minus g of x is there. So you can take inside, you can take limit inside and you can split it. Limit x tends to a f of x plus or minus limit x tends to a g of x. That we can do or not? It means this limit I can take inside and I can give to all. Yes? So that limit I am going to take inside. Limit x tends to 0. And because cos x minus 1 is there, we know the formula for 1 minus cos x. I will take minus common, minus 2 sin 2. That will become 1 minus cos x. But 1 minus cos x required x square in denominator. What is present? X is present. So I will multiply and divide by x to generate x square. Okay. Now here, plus limit x tends to 0, 2 cos 2 sin x by x. Here formula will apply, that will become 1. Yes or no? And here, this x will get cancelled, this x will get cancelled. And I will write simply plus limit x tends to 0, sin 2 cos x plus limit x tends to 0, cos 2 sin x. Now, 1 minus cos x by x square, that will become 1 by 2. Now I am going to solve the question. This is the last step. This will become minus 2 sin 2 into this value will become 1 by 2 into this x is still left. And what is x? 0. That will come into 0. It means total value will become 0. Now here, limit x tends to 0. This will become sin x by x 1. So I will get plus 2 cos 2 plus x is 0. Cos 0 1. That will become plus sin 2 plus x is 0. Sin 0 0. 0 into cos 2 0. You can see answer is 2 cos 2 plus sin 2. I think this is the same thing I said, na? 2 cos 2 plus sin 2 at starting. No, what I said? 3 cos 2 plus sin 2. Acha, my 3 was bad. 2 cos 2. Somewhere I did some mistake in thinking. Differentiation of this, simply differentiation of this will become answer. So 2 plus x differentiation 1, 1 into sin 2 plus x, sin 2 वहां से generate होगा. अच्छा, I put x 1 there. अच्छा, same thing. Okay, no problem. So our final answer is 2 cos 2 plus sin 2. This is our next question. Please write it down. क्या हाल है? बढ़िया सर. चलिए, let's see. First rule. See the names. Sin, tan, trigonometry. It means I have to apply the trigonometry. Now, if I have to apply the trigonometry, sin should be alone, tan should be alone, cos should exist with 1 minus. Let's see. Yes, sin is alone, tan is alone. Very good. Everything is now fixed. Now, if I want to apply the formula of sin, at the given limit, angle should become 0. Let's put infinity. N is infinity. A upon infinity 0. Very good. Something upon infinity 0. It means already it is 0. Everything is satisfying. But when you will see this question without this understanding, you will think I cannot do. So first of all, you should know how to apply our thinking in understanding the question. Okay. So here we can see sine A by n at this given limit is 0 and b upon n plus 1, again b is a number, infinity plus 1 is infinity, b by infinity will be 0. It means sine 0 tan 0 is there. Okay na? So what we'll do, sine A by n, and we know that to balance sine I will have to multiply and divide with A by n. Tan b by n plus 1. To balance this tan, what I will do? B divided by n plus 1 into b divided by n plus 1. Now this will become limit n tends to infinity. This value will become 1. This value will become 1. So what will be left now? Limit n tends to infinity. A by n divided by b by n plus 1. So I can take denominator in numerator. N plus 1. And numerator denominator will be now denominator n into A by b. Now let's see which form of limit is this. This is n is infinity, infinity plus 1, infinity, infinity by infinity. This A by b has nothing to do with those all limit. This A and B are safe. Only this term is the disturbing term. So here we'll apply the formula. So tell me, this is infinity by infinity. We need to check which infinity is greater. Tell me, what is highest degree of n in numerator? What is highest degree of n in denominator? Both are same or different? Same. What will be answer? 1 by 1. So this will be 1 by 1 into A by B. Total answer will be A by B. That's all. ताहा उड़ गया ना ये बाउंसर. Yesterday you missed the class of infinity by infinity, na?